This matzah that we eat, why? That's the question that Rabban Gamliel's section of the Haggadah engages in today's passage. And the Haggadah, of course, answers that the reason for the matzah is that it represents the speed with which our ancestors were taken out of Mitzrayim, that there was no time even for bread to leaven when they left Egypt. The problem is, if you look at the instructions given to the Jews before the Exodus, weeks in advance, when they were told to conduct a Seder to bring the Karban Pesach in Egypt, they were told then to eat the Karban Pesach together with matzah. So the difficulty is, how can we simultaneously affirm that matzah is a result of the fact that they didn't have time after they left, when there was already a mitzvah to eat matzah even before they left Egypt? What's interesting is that Chazal insists in a number of different midrashim that in fact the mitzvah of matzah was observed long before the time of Pesach. We have midrashim that talk about Avraham and Lot eating matzah on Pesach. So the question is, if the significance of matzah is, as the Haggadah affirms, the speed of the Exodus, what on earth would be its significance before those events ever took place? I heard a very beautiful approach to this from one of my Rebbeim, Rabbi David Miller, a number of years ago. And Rabbi Miller suggested that if one looks at Pesach, one of the themes of Pesach, that comes up again and again in Haggadah, is the notion of Chayiv Adam Lirusis Atzmo Ki'ilu Hu Yatzim Mitzrayim, the obligation to view ourselves as if we left Egypt. In other words, there is a certain transcendent quality to Pesach, that Pesach allows us to slip backwards in time, as if we were the ones who left Egypt ourselves, and to feel that sense of connection to Hashem because of that special relationship. Rabbi Miller posited that the magic of Pesach, so to speak, does not move only in one direction, but that rather the concept of Pesach is that we can connect to our own freedom whatever our current circumstances are. So just as we can today, and really Jews in the darkest days of Jewish history, could on the night of Pesach mentally transport themselves to the shoes of free men, so too it worked in the opposite direction. And that even before the Exodus, the Jews could dream and really connect to the notion that we are going to be taken out with great speed. We can rejoice about that through eating matzah, that they experienced just as we do, that they were as if they left Egypt even before they left Egypt. And I think this is the meaning as well as a beautiful medrash in the Targum Yonasan on the Torah, who suggests that the Jewish people were actually transported on the night of Pesach from Egypt to Yerushalayim to eat the Karban Pesach, as their descendants one day would, and then return to Egypt in time for the Exodus. That conceptually Pesach is about being able to transcend our current circumstances and connect to freedom wherever we are. And that is why matzah is significant both after and before the time of liberation.